Good news for all parents and class 5th students out there. The Navodaya Vidyalaya class 6th admission process for 2027-2028 has officially started. If your child dreams of studying in one of the 653 Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalayas across the country completely free with hostel, food and top quality education, then this video is for you. Today we are covering everything you need to know. The important dates, who is eligible, how to fill the application form, the exam pattern and how you can prepare for it. All in one place. So watch till the end because I'm also going to tell you how you can get completely free mock test papers to help your child prepare. Let's get started. So, if I now just talk about the dates for 2027-2028 admissions in JNVST. So, JNVST Class 6 admission notification, it was released on July 6, 2026. Navodaya Admission Class 6 registration start date July 6, 2026. NVS Class 6 admission registration's last date July 31, 2026. NVS Class 6 admission form correction window August 2026, Navodaya Admission Test Class 6, November 28, 2026, and JNVST Class 6 result date, it's March 2027 or April 2027. Now, let me talk about some of the highlights for this particular examination, Navodaya Vidyalaya Admission Class 6, 2027-2028. So, admission details, Class 6th at 653 JNVs. So over here, you are aiming at 653 JNVs for your class 6 entrance. Exam conducting body, NVS, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. The entrance exam date for class 6 is November 28, 2026. Exam timing, 11:30 a.m. Official website, navodaya.gov.in. Available seats for NVS class 6 admissions 2027-2028, a maximum of 80 at each JNV. Talking about the eligibility criteria for class 6th, dear ones, remember one particular thing. If NVS determines that a student is not eligible for JNVST admission 2027-2028 for class 6th, their application form will be rejected. Now, if I talk about the eligibility criteria and conditions, students can apply for JNV class 6 admission from their district. Student must be born before May 1, 2015 and after July 31, 2017. Both the dates are included. To get admission, the candidate has to be minimum of 10 years old or a maximum of 12 years old. If a candidate cannot fulfill the age requirement, they cannot apply for JNV admissions 2027-2028. They must complete their class 5th from a recognized school to apply for NVS. Class 6 admissions 2027. To get admissions to Class 6, they must pass NVS Admission Entrance Test 2027. The entrance exam will be held for 2 hours. It will cover arithmetic, language test, mental ability test, subjects for 100 marks in total. Now, how to fill NVS admission form for class 6? You need to visit the official website navodaya.gov.in. Go to Navodaya Vidyalaya Admission 2027-2028 class 6 link. Upload the documents and image in their respective field and submit. Check all the details entered in Navodaya Class 6 Admission Form 2027 and ensure that they are correct. In case of any error, edit the form and correct it. Click on the Submit button to save the NVS Class 6 Admission 2027 form. Now, download the application number and download a copy of the confirmation page. Corrections in NVS Class 6 admission. Students who might have made mistakes during registrations can rectify them. NVS opens the correction window in August 2026, allowing students to rectify any errors in their online JNV admission form 2026-2028. Now, talking about the documents required for Navodaya Vidyalaya 2027-2028 Class 6. Number 1, student's photograph. The size is 10 to 100 KB. Format JPG or JPEG. Student's signature 10 to 100 KB. Parent signature, the file size 10 to 100 KB. JNVST 2027 certificate JPG format में होना चाहिए and the file size should be 50 to 300 KB. Documents required: proof of date of birth, DOB certificate, Aadhaar card, proof of eligibility as per the conditions of NVS, rural area study certificate, mark sheet of class 5th, residence certificate or proof in case of NIOS candidate. A B certificate is required. Any other document, whichever has been actually asked to you, that has to be attested. Now let's talk about Navodaya Class 6 2027-2028 test pattern. Talking about the section mental ability test, arithmetic, language test. So a total number of questions 80 and total marks 100. Maximum time is 2 hours. Rest you can have a look. Now, Navodaya Class 6 Admission 2027 Test Language of Medium. So, it can be Hindi, English, Tamil, Urdu, Bengali. You can just have a look onto this particular article, the link of which I'll be providing to you in the description box for more transparency and the knowledge. Moving ahead, talking about the test syllabus. Yeah, let me talk about the test syllabus. There will be 3 sections as I already told you. The topics covered in MAT will include figure matching, analogy, odd man out, embedded figures, and pattern completion among others. If I now talk about the topics under mathematics subject will include LCM or HCF, number and numeric system, decimals, fractional numbers, etc. A total of 20 questions will be asked in the language test section. The question will be related to grammar and writing skills. Well, if I now just talk about for the admit card, if I now talk about, will be released for class 6th in November 2026 basically. Moving ahead, the steps to download the admit card, very simple. Please visit the official website navodaya.gov.in, download the admit card for class 6th JNVST 2027 link, enter the login credentials and submit. The NVS Admission Class 6 Admit Card 2027 will be displayed on the screen. Download or take 2 to 3 printouts of the admit card for the future reference. Now, JNV's state-wise list. Now, you can just have a look onto these particular JNVs. The number of JNVs per state, it's been mentioned over here. For example, in Andhra Pradesh, it's 13 plus 2. Arunachal Pradesh, 17. For Assam, it's 28 plus 1. Bihar, 38 plus 1. Rest, you can just have a look. Now, dear ones, what I literally want to talk about is how Careers 360 is helping you out in preparation of your this particular JNV exam. We have actually created an ebook for you people, JNVST Class 6 Mock Test 2027 PDF. We have more such PDFs wherein you will be actually seeing the previous year papers of JNVs from which you can take the help how the pattern of paper comes out. Along with that, we are also providing you free mock test for class 6th JNV examination. So please, it's actually freely downloadable and accessible, the link of which has been provided to you in the description box. So dear ones, that's everything you need to know about Navodaya Class 6 Admission 2027-2028, the dates, eligibility, application process and the exam pattern. To quickly recap, registrations opened on July 6, 2026 and the last date to apply is July 31, 2026. The entrance exam will be held on November 28, 2026. Now here's the most important part. The preparation. The JNVST entrance exam covers mental ability, arithmetic and language, and since there is no negative marking, every attempted question counts. This is exactly why practice matters so much, and this is where Careers 360 can genuinely help you out. We are providing, as you can just have a look, the completely free JNVST Class 6 mock test PDFs designed to help your child practice exactly the kind of questions asked in the real exam. The link to download these free mock test papers is right there in the description box below. Just click it, download the PDF and start practicing today. Absolutely free of cost. If this video helped you, do hit the like button, subscribe and share it with other parents who might need this particular information. Good luck to your child for the Navodaya entrance exam. See you in the next video.